Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Now today's video is a tutorial on how to post on Instagram using your desktop or Chrome browser. So all you have to do is open your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use, and you have to open Instagram or log into Instagram. Then you have to right click on anywhere on the blank space like this and hit inspect. As you can see, there's no post option on this page, or you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus I as stated here. I'm gonna click this, then it's gonna open a window over here. A little bit slow, I don't know why. Then you have to click this over here, toggle device toolbar, or you can just press Ctrl plus Shift plus M. I'm going to click this here. Then you have to reload your page. Simply reload your page and close this window once it's reloaded. Okay, now it's taking a little bit of time because my internet is a bit slow right now. Alright, close this window. And as you can see, now I have a plus icon over here. I'm gonna click on this plus icon, and it's gonna take me over to this. Now I'm gonna post any image. You can only post an image on Instagram, unfortunately. I'm gonna show you how to post, just giving an example. You can post anything, but it has to be a photo. Click on next after you select the photo you want to post. Add a caption. You can add location and tag people, but I don't want to do either of that. I'll just give an example and then share. As you can see right now, it's sharing. Alright, your photo was posted. So yeah, this is how you can post on Instagram. And if you want to go back to the default version of the original version of Chrome browser, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press Ctrl plus Shift plus M, or you're just gonna go Ctrl plus Shift plus I. It's gonna take you back to that inspect window, as you can see here, and uncheck this, or just press Ctrl plus Shift plus M if you think that's easy. Then when you uncheck this, then you just have to refresh your page again like this, and close this window. Once you do this, once you refresh your page, close that inspect window, and boom, you're back at the original page. So yeah, this was a quick short tutorial for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also like my Twitter page, follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Links are in the description box below. Share this video with friends, and also join my Discord server. All the links are gonna be down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed. With that being said, I am Gojiro. Allah Hafiz.